Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the final week in my Artake Weekly Tasks Planner, the 17th through the 23rd, using this Proud with Pride kit by MahaNoorStudio. If you are new to this channel, then welcome. Once again, my name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to craft hauls and Happy Mail, and lots of other videos for you to check out. So if you're interested in seeing any of that content, you can check out the description box below. There are various playlists related to each category of planning and crafting for you to browse. Like I said, this kit is from MahaNoorStudio, so she changed her names a couple of times, from I think just MahaNoorStudio to TheCosmicStudio to a couple of different names. She still has her shop open at the time of me filming. This kit is not available in her shop, but she does have a couple of other kits, and I've done a couple of Plan With Me's on her spreads in this planner. Like this one back in last June, using her Tulips kit, and then this one in July using her Beach Please kit. So like I said, I've done a couple of spreads, and I have posted a couple of different kinds of content with her kits. So if you're interested in seeing that, you can check out the description box below. I will leave her information in the description box, but she does do mainly like books. I know she just wrote a book called Days of Revenge. So she does have a book that she wrote. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then definitely check it out. I have not had the chance to read it yet, but I will eventually. Anyways, this kit is one of the ones that I had left over after being on her PR team. She no longer has a PR team, but I really wanted to use this kit because I thought it was really pretty and really beautiful. And this is my last spread in this book. So I thought, what a better way to end the spread with a Pride themed spread. So if you guys are wanting to see any of these videos, I have started doing Plan With Me's in this planner, so you guys can definitely check that out. And I will have a flip through of this very soon, because this is my last spread in this planner, so I will be doing a flip through of that. If you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new content. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the final spread in this planner. So this is what the spread looks like normally without any text or anything on it. So you guys know I am not a huge fan of having like color on the spread already, so I usually just white it out. So what I think I'm actually going to do, just to give myself a fresh start, is to just white out the whole thing, and then probably just add this Happy Planner washi. It's like from the recipe sticker book, but it's rainbow, so I thought it would fit well with the theme. So let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll get right back to you. Alright, now that we have a brand new fresh spread to start with, I was going to add the washi, but I decided to wait on that because I need to lay down the boxes and figure out what's going to be titles and what's going to be decorative and all that fun stuff. So her deco is in this spread is in clear matte. So I think I'm actually going to lay this one right here at the very corner, and we are going to white those out. You have to be very careful with this sticker set, because if you remove it, then it will peel up. So don't want that to happen. I also think I'm going to, I'm gonna peel this up and put the hands right here, maybe? Yeah, I like them here. And again, I have to be very careful when peeling these up, but I am going to peel these up just the smallest bit, because I am going to put some of that white or washi tape underneath. So happy Pride Month, everybody. How are we doing? Have we done anything for Pride Month? Just recently in Orlando, it was the anniversary of Pulse, which is a very sad thing if you don't know what Pulse was. It was the shooting that happened in Orlando at a gay LGBT bar, and it's just very sad. So that is something that we have been kind of remembering this past week. I haven't really done much this week, honestly, you guys. Like, I know that was a complete change of subject, but I haven't really done much this week. I have been hanging out with my family. My sister just got done with surgery. At the time of me filming, it was actually yesterday. Or not yesterday. What is today? Saturday? So it was Thursday, so day before yesterday. So she is recovering, which is why I am filming right now. That's been what we've been doing, and my parents are here, so if you hear noises in the background, I did tell them, I was like, hey guys, just so you know, I'm gonna go film, and they're like, okay. That was it. Okay. So if you hear them in the background, that's what it is. They've been relatively quiet, but I try to film when I know they're coming down. I try and film before they get down here, but this past week has just been just a whirlwind of crazy, so I just didn't have time to, and that's okay. Like, sometimes you just don't have time to film, and that's okay. But I did want to film this video because it is my final spread, and I'm so excited. Like, it makes me happy. So wanted to get that done. But other than that, it's been a pretty quiet week here. Like I said, my sister is recovering from surgery, so we are trying to meal prep this weekend so that when my parents do have to leave, because they will be leaving to go back home pretty soon, when they leave, we want to have food for her so that all we have to do is just heat things up. So that is our goal for that. I actually just got done with hanging out with my mom. Me and my mom made wax seal art. So I'm very excited about that. I think I might share them with you guys, like on a video, so you can see what I've been doing, because I actually really do enjoy doing them. And I think I'm going to try and do more because they do bring me a lot of joy. And I just think it's a really fun way to kind of calm down after sometimes a crazy week, because it's something that, because I have two different kinds of wax seals. I have the wax beads, and I have the wax glue gun, and I didn't actually have a glue gun. My mom was the one who brought that down. She was like, hey, when your sister is recovering from surgery, we should craft. And I was like, yes, we absolutely should. That is correct, Mom. And she was like, I'm going to bring my wax glue gun and we're going to craft together. And I've been looking forward to that. It's been a lot of fun. So that's what we did today. Pretty much all we've done. I know that after I'm done filming, we are going to make dinner and just hang out. I have to go back to work on Monday. Boo! Who wants to go to work? So I have to do that. But other than that, it's going to be a pretty chill weekend, and we're not going to be doing too much. I don't know if we're planning on watching a movie tonight, or if we're just going to hang out. Don't know what the plans are, but we'll see. So how has your week been? I know I've been chatting a lot right now. Just been doing the washi. How's your week been? How's life been? How's life been treating you? What you been up to? I'm just nosy. I'm just trying to find out what you've been doing in your life, because I'm a nosy person. You know what? I wasn't going to wipe those out, but since the hand is covering it up, might as well. Have you guys got any summer plans? Are you doing anything exciting? I have no summer plans. The only thing I have planned, right, is to pay off the rest of my surgery expenses. That is the only goal I have this summer. We were going to go on a cruise, but we decided that it was not probably the best idea for us financially. So we said, you know what, we'll just save it, because we are going to Alaska in 2025. I don't know if I even told you guys about that, but surprise, we're going to Alaska in 2025, and we are very excited about it, and it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We were actually going to go this upcoming, no, it's going to be 2026. Yeah, because we were going to go this upcoming June, so like not this year June, I mean June as in 2025 June. That was our plan, but we both, my sister and I, kind of had a long talk about, we both had surgeries this year and we were not expecting them. So we decided that it would be smarter for us to just wait because, while we probably could afford it, we don't want to risk it, because as we have seen this year, life can be pretty messy and we don't want to deal with that. So we just decided, you know what, we're just going to wait. We're just going to wait, and it'll be more worth it because we will have, you know, we'll be able to save up for once in a lifetime opportunities. We'll be able to save up for more excursions and more things. And don't worry guys, I will vlog this. I will vlog the entire thing. You do not have to worry about that. But yeah, that's what we've been discussing and talking about. But that was my question. Have you guys done anything for this summer? Or are you doing anything for this summer? What are your plans? I'm trying to go in a rainbow order here for the boxes because like that just makes more sense to me. Just going in like a rainbow order rather than putting everything down helter-skelter, you know? Okay. Because I don't really have a reason for any of my boxes right now, so I was thinking I'd just put them wherever and then figure out what goes in each box later. Kind of thinking. I hope that oh, see, it's already starting. Okay, well, I don't think it would be smart for me to do this. Yeah, see what I mean by you have to be careful when you do that? Okay, well, can't do that. So we'll just put it, again, I don't know if this is a smart idea for me to do this, but I'm going to try. Just put that there. Oh, okay. Well, again, don't know if it's smart for me to do this, but I'm going to try. That's good. That's good. We're not moving that anymore. Don't want to mess it up. And we'll probably do that box there to continue the color. And I got a few more boxes and then this page is done. Yeah, let's put this here. And we'll put an orange one like that. And you know what? We will put yellow right there just to balance everything. Okay, now we can add more of the decoration. I am really liking how this is looking. I think this is super darn pretty and really just a gorgeous, fun thing. We are going to do this. Should we? Probably not, but I don't care. I don't care. There's a lot of boxes over here and I need more color. A little too close, but I don't mind. I'm trying to think of like places to put some of these because I do want to add as much of this deco as possible because I know I'm not going to use this especially because I just used all the boxes. I know I'm not going to use this again. So I'm trying to make sure that we have all the pretty flowers and all of the pretty deco done. I guess I could probably use this in a different spread, but I mean, I'm already decorating, so. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just remembered something. Have you seen Bridgerton yet? Have you seen Bridgerton yet? Because my sister and I don't have Netflix, but we were given she was given the password to one of her friends' accounts because she's recovering and they know that she's just going to be sitting there being bored. So they were like, hey, at the end of the week, you know, don't use it, but here's our Netflix password and have fun. So we've been watching Bridgerton, and oh my gosh, you guys, this season has been a lot. I'm sure you guys have already watched it. If you do watch Bridgerton, you've already seen everything. You already know all the tea, but if you haven't, don't spoil it for anybody else. Because it's real good. Real good. You need to watch it. It's very spicy though, so if you are not into seeing spicy scenes, then don't watch it. Fair warning. I have warned you. I have done my job. Okay. I'm kind of thinking this might be good because I don't want to do too much on the spread because I do need to keep it functional, but at the same time, I need to be pretty. So trying to figure out if there's anything else we can do. I'm thinking that's good. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner. For the final spread in this planner, using MahaNoor or TheCosmicStudio's Proud with Pride kit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed chatting with me and seeing how I like to plan out my spreads. If you like this video, once again, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!